Hi. Hello everyone. This is Bhupati from Nelson Marlborough Institute of Technology, and this is the lab on netapp, wherein we're going to see few administration basics and how to access the netapp on command manager, and how to add a storage system to it, and how to access the same storage system using a CLI, using a PuTTY, and also look into some of the help commands and configuring the DNS. So let's start right now by going into our client mission. Now, before getting into a client mission, let me just show you that this is the on-command storage which we are running, so we can actually see that the storage is actually working. So we're going to try to access the same storage system using the uh, uh, on command manager. So now here, to install the on command manager, you just have to download the setup from uh, learn.netapp.com. So once you download the on command manager setup from there, and then it's very simple steps to install. So all you have to do is just do a double click and accept to the license agreement, and then just agree to it, and then you should be able to get it installed without an issue. So now once you have it installed, you should be able to see a shortcut menu, or you can even find it from your start menu, the on command manager installed on your PC. So I'm just trying to open them. All right, so now here I already have my storage system added here, but I'm gonna remove and show how you guys how to add. So you just have to go into and type in the IP address of your storage system. So in this case, it is 192.168.0.2, and just say add, and it's added. And for you to access it, just do a double click on it, and so use the password for your system. So I'm just gonna key mine in. All right, so that's about it. So now here you are logged in to a NetApp on command manager, and you have also accessed your storage system. You can actually see the volumes which has been created, and shares, and so everything that has been done on your storage system would be visible here. So now the next step is trying to access the same on command manager using a CLI. So we're going to use PuTTY to do that. So now, so this is so we're just going to enter the IP address of our system. So we're going to log in as root and key our password in. All right, so we are in. So just by using a question mark symbol, it's going to list what all the commands which we can actually use. So now here we can try something like ifconfig 192.168.0.30. So this is another machine on the same IP. So I'm going to see if it is. We'll try another machine right now. Let's see which mission is on right now, so we can actually try to see if it is working. Alright, let's try to ping 101. Alright, so the date actually list the date command, and let's try to see uptime of the system. So it's been up for the past 29 days, and you can see all the details, and we can also do one other command. So we're just gonna do DNS. So this is the complete DNS info which we have, and it actually list what is our domain controller, and what is the default domain, and what is the search domains which is being listed. So now we're gonna move on to the NetApp on command manager again. So now here we're gonna see about how you are going to configure DNS onto your NetApp on command manager. So now here to do that, you just have to go to configuration, and then you have to expand the network, and you have to go into DNS. So now here, once you go into DNS, there are a couple of fields which you have to fill in. So you have to enter the domain where you want to add your storage system to. So we just added our domain name, and so the DNS server address. So here we have our domain controller as our DNS server. So we're going to use an IP address of our domain controller as a DNS server. So we just added both of them, and then we just hit save and close. So it's gonna ask us, do you want to confirm? We're just gonna say yes, and it is done. So that's about it, guys. So this is how you can actually log into your storage system on using on any client machine using an on command manager, or using a CLI, that's using a putty. So uh, so we'll meet again on another lab another time, and till then, you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.